Quail egg production, raising quail for small, high-protein specialty eggs. Finding the perfect balance between high-yield homesteading and a small footprint can feel like a puzzle. If you have limited space but a big appetite for self-sufficiency, there is one tiny bird that punches far above its weight class, the Coturnix quail. Raising quail for egg production is one of the best-kept secrets in the world of urban farming and backyard poultry. While chickens are the traditional gateway animal, quail offer a faster, quieter, and more space-efficient way to put high-quality protein on your table. In this comprehensive guide, we are going to dive deep into the world of quail egg production. From choosing your first birds to the nuances of lighting and nutrition, here's everything you need to know about raising these little egg machines. 1. Why quail? The case for the tiny egg. Before we get into the how, let's talk about the why. Why choose quail over chickens or ducks? Space efficiency. You can humanely house 5 to 6 quail in the same amount of space required for one single chicken. Because they are ground-dwelling birds that don't mind a vertical living situation, stacked cages, they are the ultimate choice for apartment balconies or small suburban yards. Speed of production. This is perhaps the most mind-blowing part of quail farming. A chicken takes about 5 to 6 months to start laying eggs. A Coturnix quail, they start laying at 6 to 8 weeks old. You can go from unboxing a day-old chick to eating a fresh egg in less than 2 months. The nutritional powerhouse. Don't let the size fool you. Gram for gram, quail eggs are often more nutrient-dense than chicken eggs. They contain higher protein to yolk ratios, significant amounts of vitamin B12 and iron, ovomucoid protein, which is often used as a natural anti-allergenic. 2. Choosing your breed, the Coturnix King. While there are many types of quail, bobwhite, button, California, the Japanese Coturnix is the undisputed champion of egg production. Within the Coturnix family, you'll find several varieties. Pharaoh, the classic wild-type plumage, great layers. Jumbo, larger birds that lay slightly larger eggs, around 12-15 grams. English white, beautiful white feathers, making them easy to spot if they escape. Celadon. These are the Easter eggers of the quail world, laying stunning pale blue eggs. Pro tip: if your primary goal is high-volume egg production, stick with standard Pharaoh or jumbo Coturnix. They are hardy, docile, and bred specifically for their output. 3. Housing and environment. Quail are small and vulnerable, so their housing needs to be Fort Knox against predators while remaining well-ventilated. Cage versus aviary. Cages, hutches. Most egg producers use raised hutches with wire floors. This allows droppings to fall through, keeping the birds clean. Ensure the wire is small enough, 1 2-inch x 1 2-inch, to prevent injury to their feet. Aviaries. If you prefer a more natural look, a ground-level aviary with sand or pine shavings works well. Just be prepared to hunt for eggs, as quail don't use nesting boxes like chickens. They tend to drop eggs wherever they happen to be standing. The boink factor. Quail have a unique defense mechanism. When startled, they fly straight up at high speeds, called boinking. To prevent broken necks, your enclosure should either be low, under 12 inches, so they can't gain momentum, or high, over 6 feet, so they lose steam before hitting the roof. For the secret ingredient, lighting. If you want consistent egg production, you have to master the light. Quail are photosensitive, meaning their reproductive systems are triggered by the length of the day. To keep your hens laying through the winter, they need 14 to 16 hours of light per day. Natural light, great for spring and summer. Supplemental light, use a simple LED light on a timer to add a few hours in the morning and evening during the darker months. Warning, never give them 24 hours of light. They need sleep to stay healthy and avoid burnout. 5, nutrition, fueling the egg machine. Because quail grow and produce at such a rapid pace, they require a high-protein diet. A standard chicken layer crumble usually 16% protein, is not enough for a quail. Protein requirements. Look for a game bird starter or game bird layer feed with at least 24-28% protein for the first few weeks and at least 20-22% once they start laying. Calcium. Like all egg layers, and they need calcium to form strong shells. Offer crushed oyster shells or recycled baked and crushed quail eggshells in a separate dish. Clean water. Quail are notorious for getting bedding in their water. Use nipple waterers or poultry founts to keep their hydration source sanitary. 6, daily management and egg collection. And once your system is set up, the daily chores are remarkably simple. Collect eggs. Do this daily. Quail eggs are beautiful but fragile. Check feed water. They have high metabolisms and can't go long without food. Sanitation. If using a hutch, scrape the dropping pans every 2-3 days. This prevents ammonia buildup, which can hurt their delicate respiratory systems. 7, troubleshooting common issues, low production, usually caused by a lack of light, low protein in the diet, or stress, like a nearby barking dog. Soft-shelled eggs, a sign of calcium deficiency. Aggression. If birds are pecking each other, they may be overcrowded. Aim for 1 square foot per bird, though they can tolerate slightly less if the environment is clean. 8, culinary uses and marketing. What do you do with a surplus of tiny eggs? Pickling. Quail eggs are the perfect size for spicy pickled snacks. Garnish. Use them fried sunny side up on top of avocado toast or burgers for a gourmet feel. Selling. Because they are considered a specialty item, quail eggs often fetch a higher price point at farmers markets than chicken eggs. Ready to start your covey. Raising quail is one of the most rewarding shortcut ways to get into food production. They are charming, quiet, and incredibly productive.